So this is a BC Science Kit for grade 6 and this is for grade 7. Both of these have same kind of material, but the packaging is different because we're trying to test which one is better option for the schools. So inside this kit, we have 3 different lesson plans and a workbook. So each students will get one of these kit and a workbook along with the different materials that are labeled inside, so that it's easy for teachers to ask students which items to get out and which experiments to run. So this workbook has three different lessons. First one is called Art with Light. It's from the lesson Light, and the students can pretty much follow the instruction that's on the workbook and run the experiment. This workbook is divided into 3 different sections. First is the curiosity, where students learn about the color of the shadow and they can make different color shadow using different color LEDs. And there's activity, the different experiment, and then there are thinking questions for the students. So in this lesson they learn a scientific skills, that is light travels in a straight line, which is called rectilinear propagation of light. And they'll also learn a scientific skills which is called controlling variables, where students control different color LEDs to observe its effect. So in each and every lesson there's a scientific skills and there's a scientific concept they will learn through this experiment. So this is a more fancier version of this, and we have not so fancy version which is all black and white for students. It also has similar materials and workbook which is again black and white. So this is for the student, and for the teachers they will get access to a web platform where they get to see different videos on how to run the class and how to do the experiments. So we hope these kits will help the teacher as well as the students to make the science class more fun and more meaningful.